all you got to your name is 10 grand. It's like, and you're making $45,000 a year and it's taking you 8 years to save up 10 grand. That's why you're sitting there thinking like, man, 10 grand's a lot of money, man. It took me 8 years to save this up. I don't have the discretionary income. I don't live over my means. I make $45,000 a year. I'm hoping to get a raise this year, hopefully to $48,000, and that'll allow me to save $74 per month more. It's like, you don't have a spending problem. You have an earning problem. You don't know how to go earn more money. So exchange as much money as you have now to create a skill set that allows you to have the confidence knowing that if you lost the 10 grand today, next month you can go generate another 10 grand. Like, I know now today, if I lost everything that I have, I know that I could build up a minimum 6-figure business in the next year, probably 7-figure business in the next year. Because it's not about the money that I have in my account. It's about the knowledge that I have now, the network that I have, the relationships that I have, because I've continuously invested in myself at levels that scare the crap out of me and my wife.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here, we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.